Hey, this is Cody Black Outdoors. Today, we're going to get out on the boat, try out a new lake, and see what we can catch. Alright, here we go. Might flip around some of this cove a little bit, if we can see anything swimming around. If anything's up underneath this dock, I wonder. Looks like we got the whole lake to ourselves. Find something they like to eat, man. Gotta find something. Don't know what it is. Hot, 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 hot. Pinky, let's go back. Can't go back to Pinky because I just broke the line. Dang. So many fish are up on top, man. It's wild to me. Cranking. Ah, we had a chaser. Beautiful day. Not quite as hot today. Supposed to have a cold front come in this weekend. Might be why all this fishing sucks lately. God dang, dude. I'm not having a good fishing day at all. Not at all. Lots of fish out here. Don't know how to get them to bite though, man. No clue. A way tighter drag, man. Got a big one. I don't know what it is, but it's big. Big old catfish. I'm gonna have to get the net for him. Oh goodness, we got so much going on. Boom. Oh.
I didn't want to come over and bother you.
Nah, man, you don't bother me.
I'm not from around here, so I don't know what's what and where's where.
Yeah, you sound like you're from up north.
Yeah.
Heck yeah, man. Well, I'm Cody Black. I got a YouTube channel.
Okay.
Cody Black Outdoors, if you want to check me out.
Sure.
I fish around here, mainly around the city, but today I'm like, man, I want to catch something a little bit bigger. Decided to come out here and see what there was. This guy's eating me up. Get out of here. Another catfish. We take them. Thanks for biting, cat. Kitty cats today. Boom. 2 kitty cats. Must be what all of them are. I wonder. Where the bass at? Where the bass? Little yappies. Thanks for biting, yappy. Get back down there. Don't tell your friends. There we go. Crappie day, crappie day. Hey, get back here. Nice little yappy. See it? Look at it. Dang. Gosh, dang it. Wow. Dang it. Had it finally. 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 Come on, big one. Come back and eat. Come back and eat, big one. Almost time to go. Gonna hit this last 2 points. Feels a lot better today. Not 100 degrees. Still hard to catch fish. Five minutes to catch bass. Come on, 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 hook up. Hook up. We're gonna be quick. Gotta be quick, gotta be quick. Hey, this is Cody Black Outdoors. Not too much fish today, but at least we didn't get skunked. We're headed home.